So today I'm going to a DTI mentorship program that I have been going to for weeks now. We are on our 6th week. When I finish this program, DTI will try to help make Coffee Break Vegan better by providing us with help we need. That's what I hope for. I try to vlog my day as often as I can. I'll just try to enjoy the day. Okay? See you around. May lusog.
Pag-identify kay pagkataga mayuran eh.
Lola. Sir. Narigato.
May mensahe testimonya.
Siya tawanin. Kaya dato mo lang. 1, 2. Bitar.
Hello. Last day. Sabi ka na.
Kaya mo nang juga. Takpangan.
Puri Weavers Association, Juanitas Garnish Products, Dr. Esperanza Arlajos, President of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Jaime M. Son, Sangguniang Panlalawigan Member.
Kapatid? Very good. Again, kapatid? Thank you very much. Because, dun sa
This is it. This is your day. Excited tayo lahat. The next group of panelists, we have panelist group number 2. And then group number 3 of the
Present, well. Selfie me.
Selfie mo kaya.
1, 2.
Suggestion laeng, regardless kung brand to man di jikwa, kwarta, usa rin to yung tumika ng pangkasa.
last day of the Kapatid Mentor Me program of DTI, and we are to present our business improvement plan. So, we're here reviewing our slides. See, this much pages of slides. I don't know what the panel will ask us, pero lahat kami nagpapanik. So what is the business improvement plan? It's a plan, it's the final output we have to do to summarize all our learnings in the program and apply it to our businesses. So all aspects were tackled. May branding, may human resource, may operations, may finance, which is the hardest part, I know. Marketing, what else? Taxation, and everything else I have forgot to mention. So, do we look good on my barong? And here is my business. This is my business attire. This is my persuading look. Sana ma-mention ko lahat ng gusto kong sabihin, and pinagpuyatan namin ito ni Ate Betty last night. And my stars, this is for you. Yung mga classmates ko na nagre-review sila. I really hope sana it goes well. I don't know what to do. On my group, there are 4 groups who will be simultaneously presenting their business plan, and I'll be the last one on my group. So sana advise sila ng mga insights kung paano mag-proceed sa business improvement plan presentation. Hanggang alas 3 pa to, anong oras pa? 11 pa lang. Ilang oras pa nga antayin namin. Sana maganda yung audio na vlog ko ngayon kasi I have this new mic. So after this, I don't know, basta I just want this day to be over. Kape na ako kanina para energy. Whew. Wait, may text yata ako. From my stars, now I think I can do this. That is all I need. Your support. Here we go! See you later.
Yes, I'm happy. I'm glad.
Best time pang ako, baka kayo hitting. 1, 2...
Ganda ng details niya. Gani ka naman, pwede.
That's 5 minutes.
It's a great pride and honor seeing my fellow Ilocanos rise up to the challenge.
Good afternoon, mentees. Good afternoon to our mentor panelists. Kasi kung hindi, papagalitan na naman ako ng provincial director ng DTI, si Mama Grace. Si Apo Florantel yan, mas mabait. Comment ko ako, wala sa pakialam.
Paulina. Manager, Coffee Break Bilan of Congress